This is your sideline quad stretch. The quadriceps are the muscles on the very front of your thighs, and we're going to stretch those in side lying. So go ahead and lie down on your side. You can put a pillow under your head and neck for just some extra nice support. Your legs are straight. And what we're reaching for with our top hand here is we're reaching for the left or the top leg, the foot or the ankle. And you're trying to pull your heel towards your buttock, but I'm going to point out some things that you want to be aware of while you're doing this to get the best effects out of this stretch. So you want to make sure that this top leg is not suspended this much up in the air. We want that top leg as close to the bottom leg as you can get. It often doesn't feel very good to have them touching because that can cause some discomfort at the hip. So you can have it elevated a little bit. Just make sure that it's not suspended way up in the air. Also make sure that that top leg is stacked on top of the other one or directly over it. Sometimes we're stretching our quads and that top leg is like way out in front and we don't want that. So we've got it here. Now let's say you're like, okay, I've got my top leg close to my bottom one. They're stacked on top of each other, but there's no way you can reach your foot or your ankle because you're just super tight in your quads. That's when you can use a strap. So you can use this strap. This one has sections in it. I love this strap. You just put your foot in there, lie down. You got your legs straight. Top one's just a little bit above your bottom one. They're stacked on top of each other. And now we're pulling that heel towards our buttock, stopping when you feel a nice stretch on the front of your thigh. And that is your sideline quad stretch.